Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Mysterium VPN. So to get started, in 2025, ExpressVPN and Mysterium VPN offer a distinct approach to online privacy, each cater to different user needs. So to get started, ExpressVPN is a premium service renowned for its high-speed performance, robust security features, and extensive server network spanning over 94 countries. It employed advanced technologies like the lightweight protocol and trust server RAM-only server, ensuring users' privacy with a strict no-log policy. ExpressVPN excel in streaming capabilities with a reliable unblocking platform like Netflix, BBC iPlayer. However, its premium features comes at a higher cost with planned average $8 per month. Talking about Mysterium, on the other hand, operates as a decentralized VPN under DVPN, leveraged to peer-to-peer network to enhance privacy and resistant ownership. It allows users to bypass restrictions and enjoy the internet with a greater freedom. Mysterium VPN supports streaming on major platforms like providing secure access to content globally. Its decentralized nature offers a unique advantage in regions with heavy internet ownership. Ultimately, the choice between ExpressVPN and Mysterium VPN in 2025 depends on your specific needs. So choose ExpressVPN for top-tier performance with advanced security and reliable streaming capabilities, and Mysterium VPN for a decentralized approach to privacy and censorship resistance. And that's it.